And good morning and welcome back to your class. I know and I hope you had a great fall break last week. So welcome to this asynchronous learning. So this is again Miss Lore, and I'm happy that you're still gonna learn despite I'm out, and now it's my time to have a fall break. I prepared this video for your warm up. Then after this, you're going to answer questions, 5 questions warm up for today. You're going to answer through this Edpuzzle video so that I know that you're watching this and I have some questions for you to answer. So make sure you're paying attention and making sure also that you're putting your answer. Whatever answers that you're putting and participation will be counted for your attendance. So hopefully you'll participate and let's have fun and answer and learn these questions while you're learning here in the asynchronous learning with me, Miss Delore. Alright? I will now share my screen. Okay, so as you can see here, make sure you are writing this in your math notebook. You will copy all of these at the same time and answer. Okay? So if you want to take a pause, go ahead do that, or you can, answer right away. It's up to you. But I would like to, discuss it one at a time. But before I discuss, you're going to answer these questions. How you're going to multiply 3.456 times 25. So go ahead, do your answer. Take your time. Make sure you enter your correct answer when you multiply these decimals and whole number. Alright? Alright, so as I know you are going to you already have the answer for this question. So I am writing how you're going to multiply 3.56 times 25. So as you can see, the most number of digits will be on top. So it's going to be 3.456. Wow, it's swishing pen, so I'm not going to use that. I need the real one. Okay, so 3.456 times 25. Alright? So once you set this up, you're going to multiply this one 5 times 6. So I would like to use a different color just for you to see it. 5 times 6 is 30. 0 carry 3. 5 times 5 is 25. Plus 3 is 28. Carry 2. 5 times 4 is 20. Plus 2 is 22. 5 times 6 is 15. Times 2 is 17. Alright, so I will cancel all those numbers for you not to get confused. So I'll cancel all of these. Then I cancel this one because we're done. Add a 0 here. Then now we're number 2. Right? We're on the 10th place. Now the same process, you're going to multiply 2 to 6, 5, 4, and 3. So 2 times 6 is 12. 2 carry 1. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 1, 11. Carry 1. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. Then 2 times 3 is 6. Then you're going to add. Okay? So you have 0 here, 10, carry 1, 4, then 16, carry 1, 6, 7, 8. Now, we're not done here because you need to find out how many decimals that you need to use. So here, I'm going to use a different color, purple. So I will count 1, 2, 3. So therefore, 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 86.4. Before we will, make sure that we know the answers. So 3.456 times 25. The answer 6 is 86.4. So I got it correct. Awesome. I hope you did it correctly and you entered your answers on this video, on this Edpuzzle. Alright, let's move on to the next slide. Okay, I need to clear this out first before we divide. Alright, we need to divide and check, right? So what we need to do is we're going to put our number. So the number 7.75 is a dividend or inside the house, and you have here 0.0005, right? So the goal is our divisor should be whole number by moving the decimal to the right. So let's count that 1, 2, 3. So therefore, I need to also move the decimal place of the dividend to the right 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So you're going to put here 0. So since we have a lot of, extra writings on that number, so I will suggest you to the right as I discussed before. So I have 5 here, and also I have 7, 4, 5, and 0, right? Then you will divide. 7 divided by 5 is 1. 1 times 5 is 5. Subtract 24. 24 divided by 5 is what? 4. Then 4 times 5 is 20. 4 minus 0 is 4. Bring down the 5. Then 5 times 45 divided by 5 is 9. 9 times 5 is 45. Then you will have 0 here. Bring it down to 0. And you have 0 divided by 5 is 0. So I forgot to draw the bring down, so I'm drawing it now just for you to see it better. Alright, then 0 times 5 is 0. Subtract and you have 0. Alright, so what we need to do is we're going to check. As you can see, what we're going to multiply is the quotient, which is 1,490, okay, times 5. 5 times 0 is what? 0. 5 times 9 is 45. Carry 4. 5 times 4 is 20 plus 4, 24. 32. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 2 is 7. Then our answer matches to our dividend. So now our answer of 1,490 is correct. I hope you get that also correct. Alright, let's move on to the next question. Okay, what is the GCF of the following? So what you need to do is you're going to what's the meaning of GCF? GCF is greatest common factor, right? So greatest, write it down on your notebook. Make sure that you are greatest common common factor. My handwriting is not good. So common factor. So the best thing you will do is to write down all the numbers or factors of 12, 14, and 24. So the factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7, and 24. Then 24, the factors are 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there's no 4 for that. Oh yeah, 4 times 6. You're right. So 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. As you can see, the common factors are 1 and 2, but the greatest common factor is 2. So the GCF is equals to 2. Right? If you got it correct, awesome. If not, you should copy this video. Alright, let's move to the next question. Question number 4. What is the GCF of 36 and 12? So same process. What are the factors of 36? The factors of 36 are, so I'm doing it the short way, but if you want to like slow down, this is how you do it. 36 times 1, right? 36 times 6 times 6, that's what I know. Okay, what else? 36 12 times 3, right? 36 or 9 times 2. No, not 9 times 2. 9 times 4. Okay. 9 times 4. And 36 will be 18 times 2. Okay. And I think that's it. Okay, so I'm gonna write this down from least to greatest, right? So I have 1, I have 2, I have 3, I have 4, I have 6, so those are counted as 1. Okay, I have 9. Okay, I have 12. I have 18, right? And 36. Okay, 36. Okay, now we need to do 12. Okay, so let's do it 12. So what we need to do here? So the factors are 12 are, so 12 here will be what? 1 times 12, 12 times 1. So you have here 6 times 2, right? And 3 times 4. So those are the factors. So I need to arrange them again from least to greatest. So I have 1, I have 2, I have 3, I have 4, I have 6, and I have 12. So we need to arrange, we need to circle the common factors, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. But look at that. The greatest common factor is 12 because it's the greatest number. So therefore the answer here, the GCF is, just GCF is 12. Okay, so the GCF of 36 and 12 is 12. Okay, I hope you got this correct. Let's move to number 5 questions. Alright, so 27 and 21, what are those factors of it? So let's write it down. 27, 21, right? What are the factors of 27? The factors of 27 are 9 times 3 and 27 times 1. So we need to write this down. So I have 1, 3, 9, and 27. How about 21? What are the factors of 21? The factors of 21 are 7 times 3, 21. I have 21 times 1, and that's it. So again, I need to arrange them from least to greatest. 1, 3, 7, and 21. So the factors of 27 and 21, the common factors are 1 and 3. But the greatest or the greater one is just 3. So GCF will be 3. Alright, I hope you finish this question and answer these and puzzle questions that I made. Thank you, and please watch the next video and do your near part activity and 5-question EduLastic. So make sure you're gonna finish all the questions and activities for today. I'll see you tomorrow for my next video. Bye!